Hidden in the high desert of Arizona, built into the side of a towering basalt spire, lies a lost ruin, untouched, forgotten, and nearly impossible to reach. It took miles of rough desert roads, a brutal 3-mile hike, and a little bit of help from Google Earth to find it. But today, we stand where few have before. I drove 35 miles into the backcountry, weaving through canyons and vast open plains, chasing a mystery I had spotted from space, but getting there wasn't easy. Along the way, we passed through the haunting remains of an old forest fire, miles of scorched trees, a landscape frozen in time. Still recovering from the devastation, nature has a way of reclaiming itself, but the scars of the fire last for generations. After navigating by vehicle through the burn, we set out on foot, trekking deep into the wilderness in search of the ruins. Along the way, we found signs of those who came before us, fragments of pottery scattered like pieces of a puzzle of the past. Each one a silent reminder of the people who once thrived in this unforgiving land. And then, after miles of climbing, scrambling, and searching, there it was, stacked stone walls, perched high above the desert floor, blending seamlessly into the ancient basalt, the view absolutely breathtaking. This was more than just a ruin. It was a fortress, a lookout, a home lost in time. Hey everyone, my name is Heath, and welcome to Join My Adventures. Whether you're here for the history, the exploration, or just the journey, I'm glad to have you along. Thanks for joining me and my son as we uncover another lost piece of the past. Let's go explore. So you can see the stacked rocks at the very top. And this is the east side. So I'm at the base of this Basalt Spire. There's a sort of a rock wall there. It doesn't even look like it's accessible unless I climb up that. And I'm not climbing up that. There's a platform right here that's built out. And there's some more down there. You can see some stacked rocks. So this was a platform of sorts, but then around this side there's actually a big room built. So we're gonna try to head in there. So far have not found any pottery sherds or lithics or anything, but the rocks around here have all been like an orange color. So if there was orange pottery, I never would have seen it. There's just too much rubble everywhere. So here's that sandstone wall. Runs across the back, then across the side. Looks like it went across the front also. It's nice and flat in here. But that is quite a view out the front door. Wow. Yes sirree, quite a view. This wall is probably 4.5 or 5 feet tall, which is amazing that it's still standing after hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years. Although it looks like this wall might have caved in a little bit. Whew. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. Is this for defense? They put a lot of work into it. That's for sure. Some sort of little cave right there. Gonna walk over and take a look. So this is like a tunnel, a cave, but in the cave I just found some pottery sherds anyways. So that's the first one that I've found. Oh wow, this is very cool. Very cool. This tree was able to escape the fire because it is way the heck above what was on fire. So, ow, ow, this is tight. Ooh, oh, ow.
Yeah, that was scary. I don't recommend doing that.
Oh, wow. Almost on top. I don't know if I'm gonna... Oh, yeah. There are some rooms up there, but basically where I came from, down there. Wow. It's a really cool room here. I'm gonna try to, I think I'm gonna try to drop down into that, or at least lower the camera down. Thinking there's a room down there, so I think I can go around here. Oh. Maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah. We'll get close enough to get some pictures anyways. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. There's a hole right there. So this could have had an entrance from below. It would have had to have been ladders, that's for sure. But that is cool. Cool little hideout. All right, well, gonna head down and fly the drone. See if I can find some more pottery sherds down around the bottom down there. Maybe some lithics. So this adventure's not over. This was no ordinary hike. Reaching the ruin meant scrambling over jagged rock, picking our way through crumbling paths, and carefully navigating the edge of a 50-foot spire. Whoever built this place chose its location wisely. This wasn't just a home, it was a stronghold. The craftsmanship here is incredible. Stacked stone, still holding strong against centuries of wind and weather. Imagine standing here generations ago, looking out over the vast expanse, watching the horizon for travelers or threats. From up here you can see for miles. Sandstone cliffs, endless valleys, the winding path we took to get here. This was a place of survival, a testament to resilience, a piece of history hidden in plain sight.
This pottery right there, I don't know if somebody put this here or if this actually was broken by a rock, but I thought those are some big pottery shards. Wow.
What do you think life was like up here? Was this a home, a refuge, a lookout post? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Every adventure leads to new questions, and we'd love to hear what you think. This was an adventure we'll never forget, but there are more places lost and waiting to be found. If you enjoyed the journey, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss what's next. The desert is filled full of mysteries, and we're just getting started. So until next time, keep exploring. Thank you. Goodbye.